Be ready, start. Some companies follow a product for its entire life cycle, but most organizations do not start with basis research to develop entirely new products, nor do they continue making a product through its entire life until demand eventually dies away. Most organizations start their planning by looking at what their competitors are making, then they see which of the exciting products fit into their own range and how they can modify these to create their own new products. In other words, they start supplying in existing products that is already some way through its life cycle. The time when an organization starts and later stops making a product defines its entry and exit strategy. Para an organization's entry and exit strategy depends on its expertise and objectives. Some organizations carry out basic research to give the ideas and technology for new developments, but they may not exploit their ideas. They work in the introductory stage and leave the market before the growth stage. Typically, such organizations are very good at innovation but lack the resources and production skill to manage a growing demand. Para other organizations look for research that has commercial potential and then exploits it during the growth stage. These aim for the high prices available during growth and exit when profit margin begins to fall. Other organizations can design very efficient operations so they enter the market at the mature stage and produce large quantities efficiently enough to compete with organizations